Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Completing a PhD is a major milestone, one that requires years of hard work, dedication, and commitment. But once you've crossed that finish line, you may be wondering what happens next. What career opportunities are out there after completing your PhD, and how should you plan your next steps? In today's video, we'll explore the different career roadmaps available to PhD graduates, how life moves on after completing your PhD, and what mid-career professionals should think about as they look ahead. Whether you're considering a career in academia, industry, or something entirely different, this video will guide you through the important decisions you'll need to make as you take the next step in your career. Let's dive in. 1. What happens after completing a PhD? First of all, it's important to recognize that completing your PhD is just the beginning of your professional journey. A PhD opens many doors, but how you approach the next stage of your career will largely depend on your goals, interests, and where you see yourself in the future. At this stage, your skills, such as critical thinking, problem solving, research, and data analysis, have already set you up with a unique skill set. The key now is deciding how to channel these skills into a meaningful career. 2. Career paths after a PhD. Let us take a look at some of the most common career roadmaps that open after completing your PhD. Your path can vary widely depending on your discipline, interests, and personal goals. Here are a few popular directions. 2.1 Academic Career Postdoc, Tenure Track, and Beyond. If you've enjoyed the research aspects of your PhD and want to stay in academia, your first step might be pursuing a postdoctoral research position, postdoc positions. These are temporary research roles that allow you to deepen your expertise and broaden your research portfolio. They also serve as a stepping stone toward a faculty position in the future. Tenure track professorship. After a postdoc, if you choose the academic route, you could aim for a tenure track faculty position at a university or research institution. This comes with a significant teaching and research component and offers the potential for job security and academic freedom once you earn tenure. Benefits. If you're passionate about teaching and conducting independent research, a career in academia can be deeply rewarding. You get to shape future generations while pursuing the research you love. Challenges. The competition for academic positions can be fierce. Many PhD graduates struggle to land tenure-track positions right away, and academia can be demanding in terms of balancing teaching, research, and service responsibilities. 2. Point to industry roles, private sector. For those who want to apply their research in real-world settings or move away from academia, the private sector offers exciting opportunities, especially in industries like technology, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, engineering, and consulting. Many positions. Many companies in fields like biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, and engineering actively seek PhD graduates for research and development roles. Your expertise in research methods, data analysis, and critical thinking is highly valued in these environments. Consulting. Consulting firms often look for PhDs, especially those with a background in data analysis, quantitative research, and problem solving. Companies like McKinsey, Boston Consulting Group, and other major firms often hire PhD graduates for roles that require deep analytical skills and strategic thinking. Corporate research and development. If you're interested in creating new technologies or improving existing ones, working in corporate R&D could be a great fit. Industries like tech, automotive, and consumer goods often hire PhD experts to lead innovation. Benefits. The private sector offers competitive salaries, the opportunity to work on practical, impactful projects, and the potential for career growth. Plus, the work-life balance can be better than in academia. Challenges. Moving from academia to industry can require a shift in mindset. You may need to adjust from an academic focus on theoretical knowledge to a more pragmatic, results-driven approach. 2.3 Entrepreneurship and startups. If you're entrepreneurial and want to build something of your own, starting a business or joining a startup could be an exciting path after your PhD. Starting your own company, with your PhD, you have a deep understanding of a niche field, whether it's a tech startup, a consulting business, or a product innovation firm. You could use your knowledge and research to solve problems and create solutions, joining a startup. Alternatively, joining a startup in your field of expertise could offer opportunities to innovate while having more freedom and influence in shaping the company's direction. Benefits: entrepreneurship gives you autonomy and control over your career. If you have a passion for your field and an innovative idea, this could be incredibly fulfilling. Startups often offer dynamic, creative work environments. Challenges: entrepreneurship comes with high risk. Funding, scalability, and competition can be significant challenges. Startups are also known for long hours, high pressure, and uncertain financial stability. 2 for public policy, government, and nonprofits for those with a passion for social impact. A PhD can also lead to roles in public policy, government, or nonprofits. Researcher in government or policy institutions, you can apply your research expertise in policy analysis, data analysis, and social research to government agencies, international organizations, or think tanks. Nonprofit organizations, NGOs, and nonprofits often hire PhD graduates for roles related to research, advocacy, and policy analysis. This could be an excellent way to use your skills for social good. Benefits: these sectors allow you to make a tangible impact on society, whether through policy development, community support, or environmental initiatives. There is also often a better work-life balance compared to academia or industry. Challenges: public sector positions may offer lower salaries compared to industry. Additionally, navigating the often bureaucratic nature of government or large nonprofits can be frustrating. 3. What should you think about and plan after your PhD? 3.1 Self-reflection. What do you want? After your PhD, it's essential to take time to reflect on your career goals. What excites you? You want to continue with research? Or are you more interested in applied work in industry or government? What lifestyle do you envision? Think about work-life balance, job flexibility, location preferences, and salary. What impact do you want to have? Consider how your work will contribute to society or the specific field you're passionate about. 3.2 Networking and building connections. As a PhD graduate, it's essential to network actively. Attend conferences, participate in professional organizations, and use platforms like LinkedIn to connect with people in your desired industry or academic field. 3.3 Gaining additional skills. While a PhD provides you with specialized knowledge, there may be additional skills needed for your next career move. For example, industry-specific skills. If you're moving to industry, you might need to learn about business operations, project management, or leadership. Soft skills, effective communication, teamwork, and adaptability are essential for thriving in professional environments outside academia. 4. What should mid-career professionals think about after their PhD? For those who already have some experience in the field and are moving into more mid-career roles, there are additional considerations. Career growth. What's your next step in your current field? Is it time to take on leadership roles or management positions? Work-life balance. Mid-career professionals often focus on work-life balance and may seek roles with more predictable hours or opportunities for personal growth. Mentorship and giving back. You may want to mentor younger professionals or focus on knowledge transfer as you advance in your career. 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, after completing your PhD, a wealth of career paths opens up. Whether you're pursuing a career in academia, transitioning to industry, exploring entrepreneurship, or working in public policy, the skills and expertise gained during your PhD will be valuable in many different fields. The key is to reflect on what excites you, network with others in your chosen field, and continue learning to stay competitive. Whether you're just starting your career or are a mid-career professional, the choices are abundant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more career advice and insights. If you have any questions or want to share your post-PhD experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and good luck as you begin the next chapter of your career.